Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to bank account. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser and click trade and P2P. Before withdrawing money, you need to transfer all coins to USDT, then on this page select USDT and your currency, then select bank transfer in the payment methods and look at the offers. But not every currency has this method, choose the one that is convenient for you and use. Before making a deal, be sure to check the number of sellers' transactions and the percentage of successful transactions. Choose those with more than 90%. Enter the amount of USDT, check everything and send USDT. Next, he will receive the payment and send real money to your bank account. Be careful, because there are scammers on P2P, always check everything. That's all. All this can also be repeated on the phone. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.